How to use example messages on Character AI. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Example messages are a powerful tool on Character AI to help you create more engaging and realistic characters. Starting off, you can launch a Character AI application in your device. Ensure it is up to date and you are logged in. Now it begins by creating a character in your Character AI. If you have not yet, just click on the create button and create a character. Tap on the character that you created. Now to create the example message, you need to give a little backstory regarding this character because you want to make it realistic. For that, you can tap on the character name. Then you will see the first button of edit character. You can tap on it. Now from here, you can add subtitle to the character as well as the description of the character, such as definition of the character. Let us type kind, helpful, and selfless, something like this, which can define the character. Then you can add the character definition over here in more descriptive way, after which it will give a little backstory to your character. While you have a chat with the character, it will reciprocate in a way you add the description of the character itself. So this is how you create example messages for your Character AI. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.